Hey guys, let's find out how to display blurred photographs on Tinder without using Tinder Gold today. And finally, this will basically show you those possibilities that you might encounter with. And as you continue to swipe on the app, it will essentially start to display you the new and enhanced feature, which is obviously the hidden admirer function on Tinder, within a few days or weeks after you start using the app. And what this does is actually presents you with 4 cards, allowing you to select any of them. And regardless of what you decide, all of those potential partners have already shown a taste for you. And all you have to do is select one of them randomly, since you can truly see their faces. The decision is essentially random, but of course, once you tap on their cards, it's going to reveal those persons that have liked you. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you again.